sari art with Mangalgiri Handloom. Talking about handloom, it promotes circular economy and benefits the weaver. We have used all natural ingredients in this sari. This is the body of the sari. This is the blouse piece, which is 1 meter by 1 meter in length and width and is in contrast to the sari design. The motifs on the sari are created by using handblock prints. Handblock print motifs are generally inspired by our surroundings, be it the nature, be it architecture, history, and our culture. Isn't it amazing? Now, let's talk about these ingredients. These ingredients are pomegranate peel, manjishta, that is madar roots, iron, that is give black color, and turmeric.